Countries that are less democratic seem to have handled the crisis better. There are robust, healthy democracies which have also done very well.
We set up a quick response control. Every day, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the minister would personally hold a press conference telling the nation what happened. So it's fully accountable. We care very much about rural areas, their access to the medical equipment and masks. We heard that school boys refuse to wear pink-colored masks because they would look very feminine. So the next day, our health minister, together with all 4 top scientists in the press conference, all wear pink masks. They told the nation it's okay to wear pink.
The government is struggling a little bit to place that number under control. South Korea is not out of the woods yet. Currently, the biggest concern for the Korean government is how to procure vaccines.
Every country is different. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. The New Zealand government made the decision to respond rapidly based on science, to go hard on measures, to keep it out and to stamp it out. The Prime Minister talked a lot about us uniting against COVID-19 as a team of 5 million. So I think that really gave people the kind of economic confidence to be part of the team of 5 million and stay at home and do what they needed to do for the country.
We cannot predict when these global pandemics would occur. All we can do is better prepare ourselves. A lesson that we need to learn is strengthening state capacity while striking a right kind of balance with the social and political vision and values of that particular society.